I'd like to start our presentation with a quote from Hans Selye. It is not stress that kills us, it is our reaction to it. Good day! We are the nursing students from the University of St. Basilba College from BSN 3D1A, and we are going to present our research study entitled Stress Level and Factors Affecting the Eating Behavior of Nursing Students. I am Betinna Andrea Aguirre, one of your presenters, and together with me are Alyana Marie Adeva, Erbin Alcobilla, Miles Phillip Alogon, and Chavie Andrade.
So, stress is a physiological response to stimuli that modifies a situation and poses a hazard to someone. It depicts the development of emotional eating, which is a harmful byproduct of high stress level. The study is necessary since the correlation between the eating behavior of nursing students with stress has been overlooked, thus requiring a holistic approach to incorporate personal, dietary, and educational modifications for health promotion. However, the gaps of the study are that most studies focuses on licensed and professional nurses, and there is a lack of local studies, which may limit the supporting claims.
For the objectives of the study aims to determine the stress levels and factors affecting the eating behaviors of nursing students. Specifically, the study sought to answer the following questions. What is the profile of the level 3 nursing students in terms of sex, type of geographical area, monthly household income, benefactors, and body mass index? Second, what is the stress level of nursing students in terms of time management, environment, and self esteem? Third, what is the stress level of nursing students in terms of the profile variables according to sex, type of geographical area, monthly household income, benefactors, and body mass index? Fourth, what were the factors affecting the eating behavior of nursing students in terms of mood, taste preference, cost, and food availability? Fifth, is there a significant relationship between the stress levels and profile variables of nursing students in terms of sex, type of geographical area, monthly household income, benefactors, and body mass index? Lastly, is there a significant relationship between the stress level and factors affecting the eating behavior of nursing students?
For the methods, researchers use a quantitative recreational research design and utilize the survey method.
For the participants, the total population is 269, excluding the 5 researchers. Sloven's formula was used for the sample size, which is 161. There will be 161 participants in total, with 24 participants from Section A, B, E, and G, 23 from Section F, 22 from Section C, and 20 from Section D. Simple random sampling was used through the drawing of lots.
So for the instruments, a researcher made questionnaire containing 29 questions was used. The validity score was 4.80 and the Cronbach's alpha score was 0.724 for the reliability of our instrument.
For the results of the study, for the profile of the participants, for sex, the majority of the participants were female, 124, and males were only 37. For the geographical area, 96 participants reside in urban areas, while 65 resides in rural areas.
For the monthly household income, the majority had a monthly household income of 11,000 to 40,000, 53 of them had 71,000 and above, 36 of them had 41,000 to 70,000, only 8 had 10,000 and below monthly household income, and 10 people opt not to answer.
In terms of the benefactors, 142 out of 161 participants had parents as their benefactors, while 12 had uncles and aunts, 6 had their grandparents, and only 1 had a scholarship.
For the body mass index, 103 out of 161 have normal weights ranging from 18.5 to 24.9. So 27 were underweight, 27 were overweight, and 4 were obese.
So for the stress level of the participants experience high stress level due to their time management. Participants experience low stress level in terms of their environment and self-esteem. As a whole, a high stress level was evident with a score of 2.5262.
For the stress level of the participants in terms of the profile variables for sex, both male and female experiences high stress levels. For geographical area, participants in urban areas have high stress levels, while those in rural areas have low stress levels.
So in terms of monthly household income, participants had under each category regardless of their monthly household income experience high stress levels.
For the benefactors, all participants regardless or benefactors experience high stress levels. And for the body mass index, all participants regardless of their body mass index experience high stress level.
Factors affecting the eating behavior of the participants. Mood is the highest factor affecting eating behavior. Second is food availability, followed by taste preference and cost. As a whole, the factors aforementioned above scored low in terms of affecting eating behavior. For the relationship between the levels of stress and profile variables, no significant relationship between the level of stress and its demographic profile. Therefore, the null hypothesis is not rejected at 5% level of significance.
Relationship between the levels of stress and factors eating behavior. There is a positive, moderately weak significant relationship between the levels of stress and factors affecting the eating behavior. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected at a 5% level of significance.
So for our conclusion, the most significant factor contributing to the stress level of the participants is time management. Mood is the highest scoring factor affecting the eating behavior of the participants. The higher the level of stress of the participants, the higher the factors that affect their eating behavior. Profile variables are not indicators of the participants' level of stress, and taking everything into account, there is a moderately weak correlation between stress and poor eating behavior.
In relevance to the findings of the study, we have formulated the following recommendations. So first is for our nursing school administrators to implement webinars on stress management and nutrition. Second goes to our clinical instructors to create an open learning environment and educate about stress reduction techniques. Next is for nursing students who can plan out their schedule in advance to avoid stress and encourage to voice out concerns. Next is parents. They should provide emotional support and create a conducive learning environment at home. For the researchers, they can disseminate the findings of the study in social media platforms. And lastly is for the future researchers, so they should conduct further research and determine more factors that could affect stress level and eating behavior. So this concludes our presentation on our research study entitled Stress Level and Factors Affecting the Eating Behavior of Nursing Students. We hope that we have imparted meaningful insights and knowledge to you today. So thank you and have a good day.